Oh, oh my God. Come on, give me that. Give me that. Come here, let me pick you up. That was wild. You're okay, big brother.
And I fear this time there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say,
Love you too.
I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you